Toy? What is it? What is it, Mr. Nut? It's a toy. It's a toy. What is it? Oh my goodness, it's a squirrel toy. What are you gonna do with it, Mr. Nut? I'm gonna figure it out. See if there's a nut involved. That was Bucky's old toy. You remember it, huh? You remember being Bucky. You're so smart. What do you find there, Mr. Nut? Huh, Mr. Nut? You're so cute. I'm a cute squirrel. Everybody tells me I'm a cute squirrel. I'm not gonna believe it. My mom's got good toes to chew on. She doesn't think I should do it, but I can't help it. I love my mom.